So today I'm going to install a fuel gauge into a regular 6-gallon gas tank for the boat, the John boat. So here we go. Let me show you what I have right here. It's got the side gauge, but it's broken. Here's the components. There's the gauge, sending unit, whatever you want to call it. Actually meters the depth. This float goes up, it changes the resistance. Alright, let me go find a drill bit for that right here. So I only have to drill, I gotta drill a hole big enough for this right here. So I gotta measure that first. Alright, now I got the hole drilled to accept this black piece here and the rod to go through. So go ahead, place that in there. Should fit. Oh, it's snug. Yep. There you go. Okay, so I made a hole and I got the sending unit in. Now I just have to go ahead and tap these holes to the plastic, screw it in, and we can start wiring it up. Okay, so right now got it in there. I got everything pre-drilled. Put the gasket on there. Got everything pre-drilled, so ready to go. There's a little kind of contoured area right here I don't care about. There's a little gap, so I'm gonna put some gasket maker right there, probably all the way around it, just to make sure it doesn't leak. But it will be sitting horizontally like this. I'm sure it's probably gonna be fine, but I'm having difficulties with my camera today. Keeps shutting off, but I'm getting everything in place now. Come on, finish hand tightening. Okay, it's installed now. Now for the test, we're going to hook this up to the gauge and to a battery. See what she shows. Okay, so I got it wired up. Just for basic testing. Let me show you how I got this. So very important thing. You got this gauge. Now I'm showing 48%. I don't have the backlight on. Don't have that wired up, just for testing. So from the gauge, got a red wire to positive, black wire. The black wire on this gauge is actually for the signal. And I have it